Hey guys, and here we are back with another video, and I hope you are all okay on that side of the screen. And today with a pair of headphones which are among every single pair of headphones that I've used till today the best by far. And by far, I mean really by far.
Like nothing's ever broken, and I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never
These are the Bose headphones noise cancelling model 700, and they are just awesome. If there was only one word to describe, which is impossible because I've got a lot of things, well, a few things that I want to share with you guys, these are just awesome. Now, starting with the unboxing experience, we will have this package right over here, which is a really nice package, well built. It has this really nice touch. It feels a little bit like leather. It's not leather, but it feels like leather, but at the same time it offers some protection. So if we drop something while the headphones are inside, it will protect from any accident. Now, if we open the package, we will have the space right over here for the headphones, and then there's this small pouch which is really nice, which is magnetic and hides the cables inside. The cables that we will find is a 2.5mm to 3.5mm jack, because the headphones, unlike most headphones that we find, has a 2.5mm output. I don't know why, I can't explain why, but I don't see downside as well, other than that we will need this particular cable to use it. But other than that, no issues at all. Now, we will also find a USB to Type-C USB for charging, because these headphones are charged via USB Type-C, which is just great. And that is it. We will find nothing else right over here, so just awesome. A few paperwork, but that's the usual stuff. Now, looking at the headphones itself and looking at the design, first of all, the design is just awesome in my opinion. Really futuristic, and at the same time the future now, if you know what I mean. It's not the future in 20 years, is now, because we are almost in 2020 and everything is the same. But here, everything being the same, it's not exactly the same. There are a few details here and there that changes everything. And if we take a look at the design, if we take a look at the way that we adjust, which is just awesome, the adjustment, the position, the rotation makes it really easy just to put here, for example, in my head, and then adjust to the way that I want. And once I put them, this is, and I've used it for about 1 week or so, but the experience is always very immersive. And what I'm trying to explain is that even that they are off right now, as soon as I place them on my ears, they are so comfortable and they block so much noise, not only because of the noise cancelling, because obviously it's off right now, but the sound isolation is so great here on the earbuds that it gives us a different level of experience. Now, besides the design and the easiness of use and being so comfortable, in terms of build quality, they are all made of this metal around here on the frame, and then of course plastic right over here. It has this kind of silicone right over here where we will place our head, and this will make a very comfortable feeling. Also on the top, a silicone kind of material, plastic on the headphones, and then the foam right over here, which is very comfortable. And as I said, once we put them on our ears, I almost can't listen anything right over there. And of course I've got my office really quiet right now, but the only thing that I hear is my voice and the inner voice, not this one, right? It's very weird, but a great sensation at the same time. Now, moving to the noise cancelling, as I was saying, it's awesome. I've used a few headphones with noise cancelling, and one thing that sometimes I criticize is that if you don't have noise cancelling, then just don't advertise it, because having different levels of volume is not the same as noise cancelling. And fortunately, right over here, and I wasn't expecting any less from Bose, they have improved a lot in terms of noise cancelling, and at this moment, in my opinion, these are the best noise cancelling headphones. Now, they have 10 different levels of noise cancelling, and the best example that I can share with you guys is that once we turn them on, no music at all, we put them on our ears, and what we will feel is an immersive experience right out of the start. But once we start increasing the levels of noise cancelling without any music, once again without any music, what we can achieve is the experience of having, you know, the small noise that we have on the outside being decreased and decreased with the increasement of each level of noise cancelling. And this just shows that the technology is great behind these headphones right over here. And besides that, it shows us that it actually works. Of course, once we put some music, whether it's from radio, Spotify, whatever we use, then the experience is just awesome and it's an immersive experience. So just great. There's no words to explain. Now, one more thing that I would like to share here really quickly is audio quality. Hey Robert, how's the audio quality? Now, Bose is very well known to develop not cheap devices but really high quality devices in terms of sound, and this is not an exception. It's a great experience in terms of the audio, so no words to explain something that I can't show you guys. I can only tell you that the experience is awesome. Regarding the price and specification, I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out. And then finally, we also have the option to use a app on our phone. Now, one thing that I forgot to mention is that the app is optional. Everything that I will find on the app I will be able to do on the headphones as well, because on the right side here we have a touchpad that I can use to volume up, volume down, pause, play. I can also answer calls and so on and so forth, so I can do everything. I can change the noise cancelling levels right over here as well. I can turn on and off, so I can do everything on the headphones without the phone at all. I can just connect to my computer, use no app, and I can have the same experience that I have with a phone. But using the app, there are a few things that we can take advantage, and I'm sure that you guys are seeing something here on screen regarding the app, which is very simple to use. It has a few options like the levels that we can use in terms of noise cancelling, and that will be a great experience for those that want to test out for the first time. For those that have the chance to use one of these headphones, test out the noise cancelling without any music and you will notice what I mean. And that is it, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.